Faoin Tuath.
Bhí Anna agus a clán Faoin Tuath. Chonaic siad cuireadh agus asal. Chuala siad éan ag canna agus madra ag tafan. Shiúil siad timpeall an bhaile mhic. Chuaigh siad isteach sa seomra té. D'imigh siad a bhaile ag deireadh an lé.
Ceistena. Ceist nua. An bhaca. Chonaic ní aca. Ceist a hain. Cá raibh Anna agus a clán. Ceist a dó. An bhaca siad cuireadh. Ceist a trí. Cad a chúla siad. Ceist a cathair. Ri siad timpeall an bhaile.
Okay, Faoin Tuath means in the countryside. Bhí Anna agus a clán Faoin Tuath. Anna and her family were in the countryside. Chonaic siad cuireadh agus asal. They saw. Cuireadh is a sheep and an asal is a donkey. Thula siad, they heard. Éan ag canna. So they heard éan is a bird, ag canna is singing, agus madra ag tafan. Bird singing, agus a dog barking. Thula siad timpeall an bhaile mhic. They went around the little town. So the bhaile is the town, mhic is a small town. So a bhaile mhic, a small town. Thuaigh siad isteach sa seomra té. Thuaigh means went. They went in to the seomra té, into the tea room. And finally, d'imigh siad a bhaile ag deireadh an lé. They went home at the deireadh of the lé, at the end of the day. Ag deireadh an lé, end of the day. So, let's now have a look at the questions. Okay, and make sure to put your title and your page number up the top. Uachtaráin Dó 82. So, question 1. Cá raibh Anna agus a clán. Where were Anna and her family? Bhí Anna agus a clán. Where were they? Well, Faoin Tuath. Question 2. An bhaca siad cuireadh. Now, an bhaca is the past tense of saying, did they see? And there's two answers. Chonaic siad means they saw, and ní aca siad, which means they didn't see. So you have to choose. Did they see sheep or did they not see sheep? The answer is, of course, chonaic siad cuireadh, and you can put in agus asal and a donkey. Question 3. Cada thula siad. What do they hear? Thula siad. Start off with the verb. They heard. Éan ag canna, a bird singing, agus madra ag tafan, and a dog barking. And last question. Ri siad timpeall an bhaile. Did they run around the town? Now the answers to ri are either ri siad means they ran, or near ri siad. They didn't run. The answer here is, of course, near ri siad timpeall an bhaile. They didn't run around the town. Shiúil siad timpeall an bhaile. They walked around the town. Well done.